AP run the check, boy.
Fire this bitch up, hook, gang.
I know some young nigga who lost their life by this shit. I can't even get on the internet and type by that shit. I come back to the 6 for a hit, tryna find out and spray out the kid. You know I'm too slimy, these slime as it get. I had your cousin snake out for your blick. Yeah, I really live without rhyme, nigga, give it all up, we ain't wasting no time. I done came a long way back from serving these hoes for a dime. He went out with his stick, but at least it don't hurt just for trying. Nigga act like they with it, then catch him in public, they blind. Whoa, all them young niggas tryna shoot out a car. I thought a real nigga walked down on it up. I got one hand on the door and one hand on the Glock. They know if I hop by somebody getting popped, we get the boy set up. I know a dark skin bitch get you wet up. They draw location, that's why we go push up. A lot doing workout, tryna get it wet up. He slime with a text, but I don't even talk much. I don't fuck with drive-by, I'm just gonna walk up. He got a job, he do hits on the side. Hit that money, little right, he gon' slide. Fuck the hole in the back of the ride. Keep your shoes on, we don't got no tie. Some young nigga who lost their life by this shit. I can't even get on the internet and type by that shit. I come back to the 6 for a hit, tryna find out and spray out the kid. You know I'm too slimy, these slime as it get. I had your cousin snake out for your blick. I know some young nigga who lost their life by this shit. I can't even get on the internet and type by that shit. I come back to the 6 for a hit, tryna find out and spray out the kid. You know I'm too slimy, these slime as it get. I had your cousin snake out for